Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to select a winner for my very first giveaway here on YouTube. I wanted to take the opportunity to thank each and every one of you for leaving such kind messages underneath my bathroom decorate with me video. I want you guys to know that I read each and every one of them. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for. And the winner is Michelle Kelly. Michelle Kelly, you are the winner of Aquarius Secret Treasure. Michelle, please leave me an email with all of your contact information, and I will get it shipped to you as soon as possible. Thank you everyone who entered the giveaway, and welcome all my new subscribers.